Say, are you mad? Now, since we're in the UK, I need to brag a little bit because some of you don't know me. I am the 4-time MC Hype Man of the Year at the Ghana DJ Awards. And I'm here with the 2-time overall DJ of the Year at the Ghana DJ Awards. Make some noise for DJ Lord on TV. Energy. Whoa. I know they open up to nobody. I give my heart to my son. Let's go. More. My neighbor. What's the idea? One more time. 7.